Hello guys. So in this video, I'm going to discuss to you about one of the conic sections which is called the circle. Okay, so take note that this topic is under analytic geometry, guys. So it means that we will be dealing here with equations of circles, with Cartesian coordinate planes, with coordinates. Okay, so first is, let us first define what a circle is. So a circle is a conic section formed when the cutting plane is parallel to the base of a cone. So actually guys, there are many types of other conic sections. So marami tayong tinatawag na conic sections. These are the ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, and of course our topic today in this video, which is the circle. So mapo-form natin guys, actually these are all called conic sections because this all can be formed through passing a cutting plane through a cone, no? Kaya natin sila tinawag na conic section. Okay, so and the circle in this case is actually we can form a circle by passing a cutting plane which is parallel to the base of the cone. So ito yung base ng cone, guys, yung pinakababa, okay? And if our cutting plane is parallel to the base, then that is yung form natin na section nga is a circle. So ayun, so this is the definition of the circle with respect to it being a conic section. Okay, so now let's define a circle as a locus of point. So circle is a locus of point that moves such that it is always equidistant from a fixed point called the center. So it is a locus of point, guys. Ibig sabihin, this is a set of points or group of points. Okay, so take note that the points in a circle are always equidistant to the center. So for example, in this circle, okay, we have this symbol, guys, no, kapag ka nag-plot tayo ng circle, HK is the coordinate of the center, yung R is the radius, and XY is any point along the circle. Okay, so take note that at any point along the circle, XY, okay, that point is always equidistant, or that is same distant with other points, no, from the center. Okay, kaya nga sinasabi natin na yung circle has a constant na radius. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's the definition of circle as a locus of point. Okay, so let us now proceed to the equations of a circle. So there are two types ng equations ng circle. So meron tayong tinatawag na standard form, and we also call another form as general form. Dalawa lang naman to, guys, no? Okay, so let's discuss first what a standard form is, no? So yung standard form is tinatawag din nating center radius form. Okay, bakit siya tinatawag na center radius form? It's because, no, as yung elements ng equation na to, no, ay merong center and merong radius, and of course nandun din yung any point along the circle. Okay, so this is the standard form, guys, that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. So again, hk here is the center, yung r here is the radius. Okay, so ayun, so that is the standard form, guys. Okay, so let's now move to the general form. So yung general form ng circle, guys, is in the form ax squared plus ay squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals to 0. Okay? Or actually, no, usually mas ginagamit natin yung isa na general form, which is in the form of x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals to 0. Actually, guys, this second is actually same lang dun sa first, no? Kung napapansin nyo, guys, no, kapag dinivide kasi natin yung first equation by a, no, ang mangyayari is magiging d over a ito, e over a, and f over a. Tapos magiging x squared tsaka y squared na lang dito sa may unahan. Okay? Then actually, no, ibig sabihin, guys, pwede maging fraction, kapag ito yung ginamit nating form, pwedeng maging fractions yung value ng d, e, at saka f. Okay? So anyway, no, pag na-master nyo to, guys, no, pag na-master nyo yung topic na circle, mas ma-appreciate nyo itong second na equation kasi ito yung lagi nyong gagamitin, no, when solving equations of a circle, no. Lalo na kapag ka merong problem na yung circle na pinapa-find yung equation ng circle given yung 3 points na nadadaanan niya. Okay? So yun. So Yun, okay. So, mayroong mga usual na problem guys such as paano mo ma-determine sa isang tikin lang ang isang equation kung sa circle ba siya or hindi, okay? So, actually, ito yung palatandaan guys, no? This is a tip, no? Para sa mga mag-review for board exam, no? A general equation is a circle if second degree both x and y. Ibig sabihin guys, no, dapat sa ating equation merong x squared, merong y squared, no? Second degree dapat sila pareho, okay? Tapos, number 2 is same coefficients yung x squared at y squared. So, ibig sabihin guys, yung coefficients ng y is 1, kung coefficient ng x squared is 1, coefficient dapat ng y squared ay 1 din, no? Ayun, kaya nga meron tayo ditong symbol na a at saka a din dito, no? Kasi nga, dapat same nga sila ng kanilang coefficients. Tapos dito, of course, 1 and 1, no? Again, no, yung coefficients ng both x squared at y squared ay pareho dapat ng value. Okay, and then, same sign dapat guys yung x squared at saka y squared. So, kung positive yung x squared, positive yung dapat yung y squared. Okay, so that's it guys. So, again guys, no, itong tatlo na to na criteria for determining an equation to become a circle, no, dapat ma-satisfy natin tong tatlo, no, so that ma-sure natin na circle nga yung equation. Again, dapat tatlo, no. Kung hindi ma-satisfy guys yung tatlong ito na criteria, then hindi circle yun. For example, second degree siya, both x and y, same yung coefficient, pero hindi same side, no? So, that means hindi siya circle. Maaring hyperbola siya, parabola, or maaring ellipse, no? Anyway, di-discuss natin yan sa next na mga videos. Ayun, so, let's proceed now, guys, to example problem. Okay, so let's solve this problem so that we can understand deeper this topic. Okay, so determine the coordinates of the center of the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 23 equals to 0. Okay, so let's solve this, guys. Okay, so ang una natin gawin, guys, is of course this equation, no? Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin na equation. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 23 equals to 0. Okay? So take note guys, no, when you want to know the center or the radius of a circle, kailangan mo ng standard form. Kasi 'di ba sa standard form, you can directly see kung alin dun yung h, alin dun yung k, alin dun yung r. 'Di ba nga yung ating standard form ay merong h, k, and r na elements sa kanyang equation. Okay, so since ang given dito is a general equation, then we just have to transform this equation to standard form. So, transform this general form na equation to standard form. So, kaya para masagutan natin tong problem na ito. Okay. So, yun guys. So, para magawa natin yan, kailangan natin ihiwalay muna guys yung mga may mga variables na x. So, that is x squared minus 6x. Okay. Tapos, ihiwalay din natin of course yung may variables na y. That is y squared plus 4y. Tapos, of course, yung 23, yung negative 23 dito, transpose natin sa kabilang side, hiwalay din natin siya. So, equals to 23 na lang. Okay, so, gagawin natin dito guys is completing the square. Okay? So, I hope you are familiar with completing the square sa algebra. Anyway, so ito yung process guys ng completing the square. So, ang gagawin natin is, kukunin natin yung kalahati ng coefficient ng x, which is negative 6. So, ang kalahati niya is negative 3 and then square natin yon. Okay? Then, ilan yung value nito? That will be 9. Negative 3 squared is 9. So, i-add natin dito plus 9. Okay? And then, kukunin din natin, guys, yung kalahati ng coefficient ng y. So, that is positive 2. Then, square. Then, i-add din natin dito. So, plus 4. Okay? So, yun. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, guys, take note na ang ginawa natin dito, no, nag-add tayo ng 9 and nag-add din tayo ng 4 sa kabilang side ng equation. Sa may left side lang tayo nag-add. Okay? So, take note, hindi yan pwede guys, no? Hindi pwedeng mag-add tayo sa kabilang side ng equation kasi parang binago na din natin yung equation. So, ang gagawin natin is, magdadagdag din tayo. Kung ilan yung dinagdag natin sa kabilang side ng equation, idadagdag din natin dun sa kabilang side pa ng equation para makancel nga yung effect. Okay? So, plus 9 at saka plus 4 din tayo sa may kabilang side ng equation. Again, yung purpose niyan is para makancel yung effect ng 9 at saka 4 na inad natin sa kabila. Okay? So take note that it's already a complete square, guys, no? Yung x squared minus 6x plus 9 is actually a complete na square binomial, and that is x minus 3. Madali lang naman, guys, no? Nilista ko dito yung kasama yung negative, no? Para yun na yung magagamit natin para hindi tayo maguluhan sa mga sign. So x minus 3 squared ito. Okay? Again, pag in-expand mo to, ito yung lalabas, di ba? Okay? And then, yung next is plus, of course, yung second equation is y plus 2 squared. That is, again, perfect na square ng binomial. Okay? And then equals 36. That's 23 plus 9 plus 4. Obviously, that's 36. Okay, so, ang gawin natin, guys, is simplify natin ito katulad ng sa form nga ng standard form. So, this will be x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals to 6 squared. Okay? So, ito na mismo, guys, yung ating standard form. Di ba? Ito na mismo yun, no? So, ibig sabihin, makikita na kagad natin dito si H, si K, at saka si R, no? Okay? So, visual lang, no? I mean, makikita na natin kagad directly. Okay, so si H dito obviously is equals to positive 3. Okay? Si Y here, o si K dito is obviously negative 2. Okay, so take note, negative K dito, no? This is positive 2, so magiging negative 2 si K. Okay? So therefore, ang hinahanap nating center ng circle which is HK is 3, negative 2. 3, tapos negative 2. Okay? So yun, so ayun, so ito, pag-plot natin, guys, siya sa Cartesian coordinate system, okay? Sa Cartesian coordinate plane, no? Ito yung circle na yun, okay? So actually, no, paano mag-plot ng circle? Ang gagawin mo lang, guys, para maka-plot ka ng circle is kailangan mo ng center at kailangan mo ng radius. So una, ipa-plot mo yung center, which is of course nasa 3, negative 2 yun, okay? Nasa quadrant 4, ito na yun, guys, no? Ayun. And then, of course, kailangan natin ng radius. So, obviously, yung r natin is 6. Di ba? Kasi nga, r squared is equals to 6 squared. So, ang r natin dito is 6. Okay. So, ngayon, magka-count tayo either upward or leftward, rightward, or downward ng 6. Tapos, yun na mismo, guys, yung ating circumference nga ng circle, yung madadaanan mismo ng circle. Okay? So, count lang, guys, ng 6 na units. Ayun. So, ang ginawa ko dito is upward. Tapos, ito na nga, guys, yung ating circle. Okay, so again, guys, the answer here is letter A, which is 3, negative 2. Okay? So, dito tayo, guys, sa ating second problem. Example problem number 2. Okay? So, babasahin ko muna yung problem. Determine the equation of the circle passing through the points negative 3, 1, 0, 4, and 3, negative 6. Okay? So, ang gawin natin, guys, is solve natin ito. Okay, so take note, guys, no, tip lang. Kapag ka magsosolve ka ng equation ng circle, tapos given yung tatlong points na nadadaanan ng circle, use the general form ng equation ng circle. So again, tip, use the general form to solve for the equation of the circle passing through 3 points. Take note, guys, no, kailangan 3 points, no, kasi di ba nga yung ating equation is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals to 0. So, bakit 3 points? Kasi tatlo yung ating unknowns dito, yung d, yung e, at saka yung f. Okay? So, kaya kailangan natin ng 3 points. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, guys, is isa-isa nating isa-substitute yung mga points na nandito sa problem sa ating general form ng equation. Okay? So, let's unahin muna natin, guys, yung unang point, which is negative 3, 1. So, madali lang, guys, no? Yung negative 3 dito, isa-substitute natin sa x, and yung 1 ay isa-substitute natin sa y. Ayun. Tapos, makakabuo tayo ng isang equation. So, ang mangyari dito, of course, is, ayun, ito na nga, guys, no? Ano na lang, no? Directly sinubstitute ko na dyan isa-isa. Okay? So, yun. So, negative 3 squared plus 1 squared plus d times negative 3 plus e times 1 plus f equals to 0. So, pag sinimplify natin to, guys, ang mangyayari is magiging negative 3d plus e plus f equals to negative 10. Okay? So, this will be our first equation. Okay? Then, for our second equation, gagamitin natin yung second na point, which is 0, 4. Nandito sa problem, guys, no? 0, 4. Ayun. So, substitute lang din, guys, katulad ng ginawa natin sa una. Okay? So, Yun lang din yung gagawin natin. Okay, so take note guys, yung x natin dito is 0. So pag minultiply natin yung 0 sa d, ay makakancel nga yung d, so mawawala na siya sa equation. So ang ating maging equation dito is 4e plus f equals to negative 16. So this will be our second equation. Okay, so for our last equation, third equation, that is 3 negative 6. Okay, so ang gawin natin, again, ulitin lang din natin guys, is-substitute natin yung point na yan sa ating equation. So yun lang din yung gagawin natin dito. Okay, and then, is-simplify natin ulit. And yun, so simplify natin guys. So ito yung ating simplification nun. 3d minus 6e plus f equals to negative 45. Okay, so this is our third equation. So ayun, so tapos na guys, no? Nakagawa tayo ng tatlong equations. We have three equations. We have three unknowns. Okay? Okay, so ilista lang natin guys, no? Ito yung ating mga equations. Ayun. Okay, so madali na lang guys, no? Kapag nakakuha ka ng tatlong equations, of course, kailangan nating i-solve yung mga unknowns. Ibig sabihin, we have to solve for the values of D, E, and F. Okay? So, pwede naman na ito sa inyong mga scientific calculator, no? So, yung mga viewers ko naman usually is mga mga civil engineering. So, I know na alam nyo na kung paano i-input siya sa equation na function ng inyong calculator. So, yun. So, anyway, actually, no, in the future, maghanap ako guys ng emulator na calculator para ma-show ko sa inyo dito sa mismo sa aking video kung paano siya i-input sa calculator. Pero ngayon kasi guys, hindi ako nakahanap. So far, hindi pa ako nakahanap kasi I'm using a MacBook and yun, walang software ng calculator. I mean, limited yung software ng calculator na para sa MacBook, no? Usually, pang Windows talaga yung may FX991ES, mga ganon. So, ayun. Anyways, so yun na guys, no? Pag in-input mo sa calculator, makukuha natin yung values ng D, E, at saka ng F. So, ito na nga yung mga values na yun. And of course, all we need to do now is to substitute this value sa ating original na form, na general form, na x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals to 0. So yun yung gagawin natin guys, no? So, substitute lang guys, no? So again, ito na yung gagawin natin, no? Yung d natin guys is negative 49 over 13. So yun, substitute natin dito. Yung e is 23 over 13, okay? And then yung f is negative 300 over 13. Okay? Then, obviously, kailangan natin i-eliminate yung fraction. So, we need to multiply this equation by 13. This whole equation, i-multiply natin siya ng 13. So, magiging 13x squared plus 13y squared minus 49x plus 23y minus 300 equals to 0. So, ito na nga guys yung ating sagot. Ayun. Okay. So, kapag ka-plinat natin siya, yung iba, usually, ginagawa ng iba, guys, no, is pinaplot na lang yung mga points na nadaanan ng circle, tapos gawa ng circle, of course, na madadaanan yung points na yon. Okay, so tama din naman yon, no? Kaya lang, parang usually, yung drawing natin dito is hindi perfect na circle, no? So, actually, no, ang ma-advise ko talaga, kung gusto nyo maka-drawing ng exact na circle or perfect na circle for this equation, ang gawin nyo muna is i-transform ito sa standard form, tapos kunin nyo yung HK at saka yung radius, no? So, katulad ng ginawa natin sa first problem, no, mape-plot nyo ng maayos yung circle. Okay, dito kasi hindi natin malaman kung nasaan ba talaga yung center. Okay? Pero anyway, so yun na nga guys, no? So, ito na nga yung ating circle. And the answer for this problem nga is nasa letter B. Okay, so that is the answer for example problem number 2. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope naintindihan nyo yung ating discussion tutorial for for those problems sa ating topic na circle. So let's now proceed guys to the practice problems. Okay, so for the practice problems, I will show several problems. So, kung gusto niyo mag-solve, guys, no, i-pause nyo lang yung video and then i-solve, okay? And then after nyo mag-solve is, i-play nyo lang ulit yung video para makita nyo yung sagot, okay? So, yun guys, so ito yung first problem. Hindi ko na lang babasahin, no? Okay, and the answer for this problem is letter B, 25 pi. For the second problem, the problem is, and the answer for this is Letter C, 8/3. And for the third problem, this is a problem. Ito yung medyo may mahaba ng konti, no? And the answer for this is letter C. That is x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 10y plus 25 equals to 0. Ayun. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope na i-like nyo yung video kung meron kayong natutunan sa ating tutorial video today. And please subscribe pod sa ako channel. Okay, so lectures ni Sir Mars, guys, paki-subscribe na lang and paki-hit na lang din yung notification bell if you want to be updated sa aking mga videos. Okay? And if you have any questions, guys, no, I have a free consultation, okay, sa mga nagkakaproblema sa mga school works nila. So kung meron kayong mga problems related sa ating mga pinagdi-discuss dito, guys, or related sa civil engineering, no, I can help you solve that. Ayun. So I actually worked as a review instructor before, and I am now working as a college instructor. So ayun. So ayun, guys. So my email is here and my Facebook is here. So you can just send some message or a figure or something if you have questions. Ayun. So that's it. And that's all, guys. See you sa next video. Bye-bye.